Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you and show you step by step how you can change the primary column for your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so let me head over to my workspace here on Smartsheet, and just right from the get-go guys, there's no direct way how you can change the primary column for a sheet. Let me go for example with that example sheet here. So as you can see, the primary column will be the one to the very left of your table inside your sheet, which is in this case this one here. So if I click into these three dots here to access the column options, the delete column option will be grayed out. So I can't replace or delete the primary column, and I can't make any of these other columns my primary column. I may, of course, change the position. That's you can do that, of course, but your primary column that has been set on default will always remain the primary column here in your sheet, no matter which position it has. You can't delete it, guys. So unfortunately, this doesn't work, but we can use a workaround here. So the only workaround that seems to work, at least for me, is to create a new sheet, to set the primary column for that new sheet, and to simply copy the given column from your previous sheet, for example, this column here, to make it your desired new primary column. And after that, simply copy the data from each column into your new sheet. So let me show you how to do it, guys. What you want to do is create a completely new sheet by clicking into Add to Workspace here inside your workspace, hover your mouse over Sheet and select your sheet type. Let me go with a table so that resembles this one here, for example, this sheet. And after that, your new sheet will be created and listed here inside your workspace items. So you will see the primary column set on default here. So you may customize this one. For example, head over to your previous sheet. And what you want to do is simply copy the entire data from your old sheet from the desired primary column, which is in this case here, this one, number. So left click into the uppermost cell of the given desired primary column, press left shift and click into the lowermost cell to select all of them. Press Ctrl C to copy them and head over to your newly created, not that one, to your newly created sheet, and press or click into the first cell of the primary column here and press Ctrl V to paste the data into your primary column. So as you can see, it has worked. Now you may simply rename that primary column here. So let me head back to my previous sheet and memorize the name. It was number. Okay, so let me head over to my new sheet, click into these three dots here of that primary column and select, let me find it, column properties here, and rename it like number, of course. And the column type must resemble the column type of your desired primary column from your previous sheet, of course. So if it was text number, the column type for your primary column should be column type text number as well. But usually the primary column type will be set to default as text number. Anyway, so click into apply here. And that's basically it. Now the rest is simply to copy the data from your other columns into your new sheet. So let me do that really quickly. We got assigned to, so again, click into the uppermost cell, press and hold left shift and click into the lowermost cell, press Ctrl C, head back to your new sheet, click into the uppermost cell of the new column here and press Ctrl V to copy and paste your data. And do the same for the status. Head back to your previous sheet, press or click into the uppermost cell here, press and hold left shift and select the lowermost cell, and so on and so forth, guys. So I guess you can see the pattern here. Let me just paste that one as well. Click into the uppermost cell, press Ctrl V to paste the data. And that's how it works, guys. Now, as you can see, that is your new primary column in your new sheet. And it resembles the column from your previous sheet you desired to be the primary column here within that sheet, but it didn't work, as you can see. So that's the only workaround here you can use to bypass this obstacle, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.